Hello and welcome back to my channel, Julep's Garden. It's the month of June. I live in North Carolina, Zone 8A. We're gonna go check out what Walmart has in stock. Okay, look at all the beautiful flowers. Let's go see what they have. So I've been seeing this Bloomable collection around. I've seen Lowe's carry it with those beautiful kind of English cottage roses, and Walmart also has some things from them too. So they have this little butterfly bush, and it doesn't seem to get too big, so if you have a small space, this one's 28 inches by 30 inches, $8.97, and the butterflies do love these guys. It is so beautiful to see them covered in butterflies. Even the dragonflies in my area really like them. They also have some yarrow. This is $8.97. And these are 2-quart size containers. I've heard that yarrow has medicinal benefits. Do you guys use it for medicinal benefits? Have you guys used it, and how do you use it? And they have lots of coneflower. I love coneflowers. Pollinators love them, and they come in all sorts of different colors and varieties. This is also a 2-quart container for $8.97, and I've also heard that coneflower is medicinal also. The colors they have here is sombrero adobe orange, and the other one is sombrero lemon yellow. They have these beautiful red dianthus. My mom has fallen in love with dianthus this year because of how easy they are. It's very easy to divide and spread throughout your garden. They have these beautiful coreopsis, and these are $8.97. Look at these beautiful hostas. So this one is called Fragrant Bouquet. It's $15.97, and it can get to 2 feet tall. Let's see. Yes, it can get 2 feet tall, almost 18 inches wide. So it says this would be a good plant for like a foundation or a border. Look how beautiful. And this is one of my favorite hostas. This is the blue hosta. This one is $14.98. And this is a 1.5 gallon size container. So here it looks like they're getting lots of sun, but when they're in more shade, they have more of a blue color to their leaves. They're just beautiful. And hostas are very easy to divide and spread around your garden as they grow. They have these beautiful white calla lilies. Calla lilies are perennials. They come back every year. This is a 2.5 quart container for $9.97. And these are hardy to 10 degrees. If you like those bright, warm colors, you're going to love these. This is the Asiatic lily. It's also a perennial. And what's really nice about dianthus is that there's so many different types. There's some that look like little roses, some that look like this. They're quite affordable. This is only $6.88 for it being a perennial, which comes back yearly. Oh, and it looks like they still have some of these begonias left. So I'm starting to see these more and more, but you don't see them everywhere. So this is another variety of begonia, but usually I only see them in large containers, and so this is pretty cool because they have it in a small container, so you can do your own mix of flowers. This is $4.97, and of course begonias are really adaptable to different conditions, so they can handle shade, they can handle some sun. Look at this one, oh, so beautiful. They have caladiums. This one's red frills for $4.97. And they have Mexican heather, also $4.97. And this is lobelia. Lobelia looks very romantic to me. I've seen it kind of spilling out of containers, and I love the way that looks. So I was reading that the trick to keep it blooming from spring to fall is to keep the soil consistently moist. And this one is $4.97. This year I have seen such a bigger selection of New Guinea impatiens in different colors. These are $4.97. And I really like that some patients don't require a lot of fertilizer to keep blooming. Oh, and look at this. They have a smaller size container of Coreopsis. Usually I see them in those bigger containers. This one is only $3.98. That's great. I might have to take some of this. Look at all these calibrachoas. This one is called Conga for $4.97. And these do well impart sun 4 to 6 hours. Oh, look at this purslane. Isn't that beautiful? This one is called Pizzazz Nano. And it is $4.97. And they have a good selection of different sweet potato vines. Look at all the colors. Look at these leaves, how they have purple on the edges. I just grabbed one out of the little tray. Look at these roots. These love to grow. And they have these containers already made for you. These are $21.74. They have begonias, they have caladiums, they have a creeping Jenny on the sides. Or they have some just filled with caladiums. This is one of my favorite things to see. I don't know why. It's just little droplets of water on leaves. I think it's so pretty. And look, they have bigger size container of the New Guinea impatiens. These are $7.88. It's a 2.5 quart container. I was recently working on a project for someone and she said she wanted something elegant, so we went with white sun patiens and it came out so beautiful. I'm going to share that project with you guys soon. Wow, these Gerber daisies are so beautiful. Look at these pops of color. And these are $7.88. And they even have 1.5 gallon size containers of just coleus, but they're beautiful. These say they can do part sun, 3 to 6 hours. And they have celosia for $5.97. Oh, look at all this white vinca. There's something about white flowers that just makes it's so elegant, but at the same time it does still pop. And this isn't bad because it's a 2.5 quart container for $5.97. So especially if it's further in the season like we are now, we're already in June, maybe it's worth investing in a slightly larger plant so you can enjoy more flowers. Oh, and look at this. They have some of these big begonias. Unfortunately, I cannot find the price on it, but the tag says that it will grow over 2 feet tall. And they do have Proven Winners annuals. So these are calibrachoas and these are super bells over easy for $5.97. And these do really good in containers. And they even have some of these Proven Winner alliums, Serendipity, for $9.97. And they're all budded up and ready to bloom. They have some Superbina Red, $5.97. They have this Supertunia Lovey-Dovey, so cute. They have these pre-made containers for you, so you don't have to do any of the work. These are $17.87, and this one's called Gloria Rose. So they have Diamond Frost Euphorbia, Proven Winner Accents Hippo Rose, Acapulco Rose Impatiens. So these are the impatiens, the euphorbia, and the hippo rose. They also have some of the Proven Winner grasses. This is Prince Tut for $10.98, grows up to 30 inches tall. Oh man, this is exciting. They have tons of the Supertunia Vista. This is my favorite variety. This is Jazzberry. So out of all of them, Jazzberry just stays more compact and it is so good at blooming. It still grows very well, but it doesn't spread out maybe as much as bubblegum does. And this one is $9.97. And it is a 2.5 quart container. And they have more perennials. This is phlox for $8.97. This one is called Flame. And they have some pretty combinations. This one has lantana of $21.74. So this is a good full sun one. And here's another option for echinacea coneflower. This is the Walmart brand for $6.88. And they have Shasta daisies also. This one is called Sweet Daisy Jane for $8.97. Oh, and look at these colors on the delphiniums. I'm so attracted to purple blues. These are $8.97, called Diamonds Blue. And some more phlox for $8.97, and I'm just enjoying the view of all the beautiful colors coming together. And if you're still searching for marigolds, they have some French ones. These are $1.72. Look at this, they have some more bloomable roses. Let's see what varieties they have. This one is called Pretty Polly Lavender, and this is $19.84 for a 2-gallon size container. So this is a pretty good price. I just saw some at Lowe's and they are $24. And so $19.84 is a pretty decent price, and these look better than the ones that were at Lowe's. It says that this variety has beautiful lavender double flowers that bloom spring through fall, disease-resistant foliage, extremely cold hardy. So it can grow up to 2 feet wide. This is a hybrid tea rose. It says it's a fragrant rose that has unique cream petals with a pink edge. Beautiful disease-resistant foliage. Wonderful rose for cutting. And this one can grow up to 5.5 feet tall. And they have this one called Bright and Shiny. Let's see, it says cheerful apricot orange and yellow blooms will age beautifully to light pink on this special rose. The foliage is a dark green and glossy, which provides an excellent contrast. Grows up to 5 feet. And they have lots of mandavillas. These are $14.97. And they have azaleas for $19.84. Let's go see if they have anything good on clearance. It looks like these might have been sun patients from the leaf. They're not looking too good though. They have some lilies, $5. And some tomatoes. These are $2. And these with the little containers are $5. Some of them have little tomatoes. It looks like they have some drift roses for $5, but these do not look good. Wow, this color is so vibrant. This is another begonia. Look at these flowers. The container is $14.88, but the contrast between the leaf and the flower, so beautiful. And it looks like they have little Japanese maples. Let's see how much. $20. This is the blood good. They're getting a little burnt though. They have these beautiful geranium baskets with the blue and the red, $14.88. And look at these fun petunias. This one's called Amore for $8.88. If you're looking for more affordable annuals, they have these packs for $2.84 of Vinca. And these come 4 in a pack. And they still have some begonias, 4 in a pack also. The white ones and some pink ones. And they also have some Proven Winner hanging baskets for $29.97. This combination is called Bahama Beach. Oh, and this is the planter I've seen on a lot of videos. $25.98. It's a 16-inch and it is very beautiful. It's got these ridges. Would look very elegant. They only have one here. Okay guys, that's it for today. I'll be back with a hellos video and we'll be back next month checking out what Walmart has in stock. Thank you so much. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.